We moved to X4, and then it was a pretty fast transition into X5. I think eMaint had reached out to us to be a pilot for X5. We had nothing better to do, so we decided to try it out. It was a hard transition. There was a lot of people, but it required a lot of buy-in. One of our values as an organization is urgency and acting with urgency. So to have the buy-in from our executive leadership team all the way down to the engineers to, hey, we have to turn the page on this. It helped. It was a hard Band-Aid to pull off, but once we were able to cross over and take that Band-Aid off, we were actually able to see the healing and the progress and the goods of all that hard work.
I guess I came into the company as it's transitioning, so more of the training part and just going live, and took a few months at least of migrating all the assets and the work orders and the PMs. The training definitely took a lot, especially, so I guess we would go to computer rooms and train the operating engineers, train all the different work groups that we have, like construction or EVS, and then through there we would have like kind of office hour sessions. But that's not the end of the story. There's always going to be training of new people that come in. It's constant training. It's essential to have that customer success manager, because we do have monthly meetings now, which, I mean, things are more stable, but back then I guess it's super important to have frequent meetings in the migration part, because it's a big change from X4 to X5. It's not just a different version, it's like a whole new platform, different. Not that I've experienced X4 too much, but it was good to have that support.